Sales organizations today face a sea of fundamental changes in the buying and selling experience. Buyers are well informed in researching products and using a variety of channels as part of their shopping process. To meet the needs of a new generation of informed buyers, breaking down the barriers between sales and marketing and reacting to emerging trends in real time is a must. With these developments in mind, Release Wave 1 2023 of the Dynamics 365 Customer Experience Platform is enhancing capabilities around three main pillars: uniting customer data signals to understand them better, connecting sales and marketing for an elevated customer experience, real-time coaching and productivity tools for improved selling performance. Now, let's take a closer look. Kat works for an architecture firm and is looking for an industrial 3D printer to design building models for engineers. She prefers to do her own research before beginning a sales conversation. Her search leads her to HMP Manufacturing, a leader in the 3D printing industry. As she is looking through their product catalog powered by Dynamics 365 Commerce, she finds one product that's enticing and perfectly fits into her budget. She wants to make sure that the printer can produce high-quality models, so she requests a sample by filling a form that's built using the enhanced form editor within Dynamics 365 Marketing. Thanks to this newly enriched designer, marketers can now use the same experience for authoring and personalizing forms as other marketing channels to capture leads. As soon as she hits submit, she is added as a lead in marketing and is now part of a customer journey that is personalized and relevant to her needs. Additionally, she's also onboarded as a customer onto the Dynamics 365 Commerce site in the background. Customer Insights captures her behavior simultaneously. With each interaction, HMP Manufacturing can take the learnings about her and further enrich her profile. Later in the week, Kat receives a product sample with a QR code that guides her to useful content specific to the product, such as guides to transfer blueprints to 3D models and an offer for a personalized demonstration and Q&A session. When she accepts the offer, the newly designed lead scoring builder within marketing classifies her lead as warm and assigns it to the appropriate seller, John, who has experience in the architecture industry. Through the enhanced insights within this lead scoring builder, marketers can ensure that every single qualified lead gets the right attention from the sales team. Within Dynamics 365 Sales, via the newly improved unified timeline, John can view a summarized and detailed view of all of Kat's interactions even before she was a known lead, including marketing activities such as emails, push notifications, and text messages. Additionally, with the embedded customer insights data, such as churn risk and lifetime value, he's now equipped with all the information needed to qualify the lead to an opportunity. A complete view of Kat is easily accessible through the revamped opportunity form with a user experience that's optimized for readability. Knowing that she's already educated herself on 3D printers, John can personalize his engagement to meet her in her journey and confirm an appropriate time for a conversation. John receives the incoming call from Kat. During the call, she mentions that she may need printers for a few additional offices, but her budget is tight. In response, the enhanced AI capabilities within Conversation Intelligence provides John with a conversation tip, authorizing a new customer discount. Kat provides her confidence that she can approve the purchase by the end of the week. Post-call, John opens the call recap experience where he can see the call highlights indicating the mutual decisions made, next steps, and reminders. The next day, as he is reviewing all his open opportunities within the new opportunity management experience, he quickly updates the opportunity size and the projected close date without having to open the individual opportunity record. At the end of the week, Kat responds to an email stating her interest in making the purchase now. Using the new on behalf of ordering functionality within Dynamics 365 Commerce, John places an order for her. This also triggers a new journey within marketing that will continuously inform and engage Kat with any new developments. For future purchases, she now also has access to a personalized catalog with a specific pricing model designed for her company. A few months later, Kat reaches out regarding the new 3D model printer subscription service that she learned from her recent newsletter. Using Viva Sales, John then adds the contract management team to a Teams collaboration space to discuss contract terms. The sales and marketing teams can now measure the impact of their efforts across deals with a new unified dashboard, where they can not only see how leads have progressed to opportunities and won deals, but also how the marketing journeys, channels, and assets influence revenue. With enhanced collaborative capabilities within this platform, companies like HMP Manufacturing can now provide a seamless, consistent, and a well-unified experience to their customers. To learn more about the Dynamics 365 Customer Experience Release Wave 1, we encourage you to review the entire release notes and try out the early access features for this release as they become available. Thank you.